So over here, you can see that I have Google Tasks opened up, and over here, I have Google Chats opened up right here. So now what you can actually do is, let's say, for example, you have this message right here. Let's say this is a task. In that case, you can click on the three dot button right here and simply add it to task. And task opens up over here on the right hand side, and then this message becomes a task right here. So now if I were to go to Google Tasks, you can see that it has been added under my task right here. Let me just go to, let's say, for example, another chat right here. And let's say I'm going to go for this test message and add it right here onto task right here. So that's been added in. And then what you can do now is, let's say, for example, go around over here and change out the task as well, just like this. And that gets added out onto my home task right here. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then utilize Google Tasks with Google Chat as well. If you want to learn more about how to work with Google Chat, you can go ahead and check out my tutorial series on Google Chat as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.